Hi, how are you doing today? I want to ask you a question today. Do you wish you were closer to your wife, that you guys were more intimate? Have you been fighting a little bit and wish you guys would communicate better? Do you wish that your wife or husband had more realistic expectations of you? Guess what? We're going to talk about these things this week and much more at our 7-day marriage challenge. My name is Harvey Jackson with Great Commission Evangelist Ministry, and every day starting this Tuesday on February 22nd at 5:30 on Facebook Live and on Zoom, we're going to have a 7-day marriage challenge, and we want you to come and join us. But we need for you to sign up below. Everything's free. We just need for you to sign up so we can send you all the information you need to be a part of our 7-day marriage challenge and learn the things that will help you have a better marriage. So don't forget to sign up.